I feel a bit in danger when it comes to Thanksgiving. Many people have been misunderstanding what I am. I hope you guys will protect me when people will be coming after me right before Thanksgiving. I need your protection. I'm scared. I'm not a turkey and I'm not a chicken. I'm a phoenix. I cannot prove it right now because my belt does not allow me to transform. But I ask all of you for your protection. I'm scared. You can have the chicken that I'm holding in my hands. You can have those drumsticks. But don't take my life. Because I told you before, I might be an immortal phoenix. But I'm only immortal when I go up in flames and turn into ashes. But if you eat me and poop me out, I will not come back to life out of your poop. No, that's not how it works. I'll be gone forever. So please don't eat me. I'm not laughing. I'm very serious and I'm very scared. Oh, I did not need to know. Of course you had to know this because otherwise you would have tried to eat me. Thanksgiving is the scariest day of my life. The scariest day. Second scariest is Halloween, yeah. 'Cause like